Welcome back to Tech Realms. Today we're going to show you how to unpair the Apple Watch SE from an iPhone device. For this we need to have the watch, of course, with battery and the phone here with also in proximity. And we click the app for the watch, which is the Apple Watch. And if you don't know how to find it, just scroll down, write watch, open it. And when we're here, where nothing of these settings is going to be important. What we have to do is go to all watches. Here we see our watch. We click here and we say unpair Apple Watch. We will need to repair Apple Watch to use it again. Click unpair and we would have to put our password. Unpair, and basically now the watch is unpaired from the phone. So it's unpairing, it's currently working on it. Gotta give it a little bit. As you can see, there's a little also progress wheel on the watch. Takes a little bit more and we wait a little to see how that works. We can see both of them thinking. So give it a few seconds to basically unpair it all the way. Now we can see that actually there's a little progress bar going around almost 180 degrees. Keep on going. Keep on going. And you can do this for different watches. So if you have more than one watch, of course, you can do it for different ones. You can unpair one, maybe repair another one. But this is how we unpair it. Gotta wait a little bit more. We can see it's basically rebooting. I guess it needs to reboot to unpair. And here we go. Now it's unpaired and we basically have no watches paired to our iPhone device of choice. So yeah, that's how you unpair. And this one's probably still rebooting. You can see here there's a progress bar which is going very slow. But yeah, basically that's how you unpair the Apple Watch SE from an iPhone device. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. See you in the next video. Bye.